na tunakupatia live, so na nataka ni hope.
It's official. One of the wife material contestants known as Mwikali has finally decided to quit wife material, and this after she was convinced by controversial gospel artists to quit the show, and in return she was offered 100,000 Kenyan shillings by the same controversial gospel artist known as Ringtone Apoko. Remember, before, Ringtone had promised 100,000 Kenyan shillings to every girl in the show who was willing to quit wife material. Now, through Ringtone's Instagram account, he went ahead and shared the M-Pesa transaction, and he captioned the M-Pesa transaction this way: "As a man of God, when I promise you something, I always fulfill. Mwikali, may God be with you as you open your business." Now, from the M-Pesa transaction, you can see Ringtone sent 100,000 Kenyan shillings to Eunice Chalo. Hey, Ringtone said hela. Now, in another video that Ringtone shared through his Instagram account, he shared a video of him interviewing Mwikali and just talking about on how she got in touch with her. And Ringtone captioned the same video saying this: "Mwikali has received hers. All the remaining girls, quit faster and come receive money in Jesus' name." Full video on YouTube. Now, in part of the video, just a point of concern. From the first M-Pesa transaction, you can see that Ringtone sent 100,000 Kenyan shillings. Now, in another video that Ringtone shared through his YouTube channel, you still see Ringtone giving Mwikali another amount of money. So you are just wondering, kwani pesa alipewa mara mbili ama wanatukanganya? Mimi sielewi. Unajua, people are saying that probably this is just kiki to push wife material, and maybe this is just a way to kuondoa au madem do Eric Omondi asioe any of them. Probably the remaining contestants will follow suit, na alafu wapate zile mapesa, na alafu mwisho sikia Eric Omondi asema ati all these ladies escaped na akachukuliwa na Ringtone, so he has no woman to marry, and ndio ikwe another reason of him not marrying any of these ladies. Unaelewa? So you never know, probably that's what might happen from what people are saying through their comment section. Ama wewe maoni yako ni gani? Unaweza tuacha maoni yako kwenye comment section utuambie. Thank you for watching. Let's meet next time. Bye bye.